It's our second day in Seoul and we're going to Lotte World Adventure, Disneyland's Korean cousin. But first, fit check muna. Anyway, we're here and sobrang lawak ng place. It's under a glass dome kaya there's natural light everywhere. It doesn't feel like we're indoors. Meron ding ice skating rink in the middle of everything. Pero ang una ko napansin is itong hot air balloon ride sa ceiling, so yun agad ang pinuntahan namin. Ang tagal nga lang naming pumila but it's worth it because we got to see the entire park and tingnan nyo naman ang view namin. Also, I did not expect na may outdoor theme park din sila called Magic Island and ibang level yung mga rides dito. The indoor rides are more for kids while the outdoor theme park are more for adults and adrenaline junkies. Makikita mo din dito yung Lotte World Tower, the tallest building in South Korea. Abangan nyo din ang Lotte's Adventure Parade that features vibrant floats and park characters. Sobrang saya. May mga kids din sa parade and they're so cute. The entrance fee normally costs 62,000 Korean won pero included na siya sa Discover Seoul Pass that I got from Klook. If gusto nyo rin ito, you can use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. You can also watch my video about the Discover Seoul Pass in my profile. We were here on a Sunday and sobrang daming tao. Halos 2 hours ang pila kaya in the end naka 2 rides lang kami. Still a super fun experience though, but I would suggest going on a weekday baka less crowded and you'll get to enjoy more rides. Yun lang, like and follow for more. Okay, thanks, bye!